Hey, what's up everybody, and welcome to Nerd Gadget. Today I'm going to talk about some watch band options for the Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 Classic. Now I'll be jumping right in right after this. Alright, so let's go ahead and look at this first stainless steel watch band. This is the black color. Let's go ahead and pop this open. All right, here we go. Metal watch band. And then we have, if we need to remove any link to make it shorter. And of course you have quick release pins in case you need to adjust the strap. All right, let's put this to the side. Now I'm going to hope that this fits right away without me even needing this, but if I do need it, we can go ahead and go through that process as well. All right, so I have removed the plastic film that was on here. And of course, if we needed to remove any of the pins, so that way we can adjust the strap, twist this counterclockwise just like I'm doing to give room for the watch band to go on here. And then you would just line it up. You can see, actually it should be arrows, yep. You can see those arrows. So that's the direction you want this to be going. So you can see that I got the arrows facing this way. So I will just line this up to one of those tiny holes as you can see there. All right, and just line it up there and then begin to screw this so that way you can push the pin out. I'm not going to do that right now. I'm going to test it first to see if it fits. But if it does not, I will go ahead and adjust it. So I'm going to go ahead and remove this here. Push this down. Pull it off. Really nice. Same thing. Push this down. And then take it off. Now I'm going to go ahead and grab one of these quick release pins. And then place this in here just like this. Let's go ahead and place this in here. Just like so. Push this down. Piece of cake. Let's do the same thing here. Once again, I'm gonna go ahead and place this in here. You can see that opening, that's the side that you want that lever to be on. All right, push that in there. We're gonna push this down, slide that in place, and that's that. And it's ready to go. And I gotta tell you, it looks really nice. Hopefully you could tell or see from the video, but you can see it matches. So it looks really, really nice. Somebody's giving me a call right now, but I'll get to that later. But as you can see, matches really nice. Let's see how this fits. All right, it should fit somewhat loose. Not too tight like the leather band. All right, so here we go. So I can probably take out maybe one of these here, just so it's not as loose. But so far, I'm definitely digging the way it looks. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove one of these and then give it another fitting to see if that works. All right, so let's go ahead and line it up as discussed earlier. One of these holes, just like so. And we're gonna start twisting this All right, oh, I lost it. Let's go ahead and push it in just like so. So that way, you want to, you want to make sure that it's at least touching one of those holes and the arrows are facing the direction that you want to push it out. All right, so I have it lined up just fine here. So I'm just going to twist it. Keep twisting it. All right, so that's pushed out pretty good there. And now that it can't go anymore, I'm going to twist the other way to pull it back. As you can see, this came out, and it comes with 2 more of these in case you do lose one or one gets damaged. Let's put this down here. Go back to the watch band. All right, so you can see that there. Let's go ahead and pull this. All right, so that's been removed. Should be able to pull that apart. Then we have to do it one more time so that we can get rid of one of these links. And then once the link is removed, we'll go ahead and reattach it. Now, in case you are wondering, how do you install this here? As you can see, it is needed for the tool. After you have this up a little bit, you can now twist this on there. Probably better this way. Let's go ahead and twist that on there. It's not as easy if you have larger hands, I'll tell you that, but just take your time and then get on there, just like I'm doing here, as you can see. And a couple more twists here. And it's pretty tight now. Now I can reverse this a little bit. You're gonna remove on this side here. You're gonna remove this link on this end. Not this end, because as you can see, there's no pin. All right, so this is going to be the connector after you remove the pin here. All right, so let's go ahead and get that removed. To follow the arrow, as you can see there. All right, as you can see, I'm doing it now. All right. Doesn't go anymore. All right, let's reverse it just like I'm doing here. Then you can stop it and just pull this out, and then remove the link. And now what we're going to do is just connect these two here. All right, just like so. We're going to use the tool again to push the pin in. What we're going to do is locate the arrow. All right, it should be right here. So you can see the arrow and which way it's facing. All right, so it's facing this way. Then you're going to make sure that this end doesn't go in first, but the more smooth side goes in first. All right, again, not this end. Place that in the hole. Goes right in. And then use the tool to complete the task. And when you go on this route, you're not doing a fast twist. You're taking your time because you have to gradually push it in there. Okay, almost. Twist slowly, just like that. Twist slowly again. Eventually, you'll get it in there. Want to make sure that it's nice and flush. Slow twist. Almost in there. Probably one more good one. There you have it. Nice and smooth feeling. It's not rough. If it is rough, you want to go ahead and make sure that you give it a couple twists more, and so that way it's flush. But I'm not feeling that rough edge. And as you can see, it's nice and flush in there. Let's see how it looks. Yep, perfect fit. All right, it's nice and loose. All right, you can see that it's loose, it's not tight. Perfect. I'm loving it. Goes perfect with this watch face. Check out one more watch face here. Pretty slick. Next, we're gonna look at this Milanese black metal watch band. All right, now what's nice about this, it has the quick release button instead of the slider. It's push the button down so the pins go in, just like you see there. Oh, gotta get the other end in there. There we go. Nice and snug. You don't see the gaps. Really nice. Let's get this. Get that stuff out the way. So it's nice and clean. Looking there. So there you have it. Now let's go ahead and lift this up. That's magnetic, as you can see. Let's lift this up. So now you could go ahead and wear it. Stick this through the holes there. And just like that, got it right through. Snap that around. Make it as tight as you need it. Probably make it a little tighter. And there you have it. Let me unlock my watch. So there you have it. Nice and comfortable. It's not pulling on my hairs. It's on there, nice and snug. So, pretty dope. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the silver. For the silver Galaxy Watch 6 Classic. Put that in there. It's in there. And boom, there you have it. It blends pretty nice. Looking very nice. All right, so let's take a look at this last one here. All right, now this one comes with the tool as well. In case this band is too long, you can remove one or more links to adjust to your wrist size. All right, so let's go ahead and get this added. You have the buttons for this one as well, so you don't have to worry about the pins coming out. All right, as you can see, that's on there. Let's get the other side. And what I just found out, it's easier to come up than coming down when installing this. So let me give that theory a test again. Okay, I'm gonna hold the button down. Then come up. Oh yeah, see how easy that was? So coming from upward towards the watch is easier than trying to work your way down. All right, so let's go ahead and give this a test and see how this looks. A big old hand, but looks like, let's go ahead and snap it from this end. So I didn't have to adjust anything with this one. Looks really nice. Let me go ahead and unlock this. So there you have it. Really nice, feels like nice quality. Got the roly face on there. Has a decent weight, but not too much, so it feels like quality. Definitely digging this. Definitely digging it. Now, if you're interested in any one of these watch bands, of course, I'll have a link posted in the description section of this video. And this completes my review of the metal watch band option for the Samsung Galaxy Watch 6. Hey, what's up everybody, and welcome to Nerd Gadget. Today I'm going to go over or talk about a couple watch band options for the Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 Classic. And I'll be jumping right in right after this.